Today you will hear about the Curiosity Rover's analysis of the first sample of rock powder ever collected on Mars.
NASA says its Curiosity rovers found evidence that conditions once existed on Mars to support life as we know it.
This was an ancient environment with the right elements, minerals indicating a near-neutral environment, and slightly salty liquid water. All the prerequisites to support life.
Curiosity drilled into the red planet soil in February at an area known as Yellowknife Bay, thought to be at the end of an old river system or dried-up lake. Soil was analysed in a miniature on-board laboratory operated by scientists back home. Sulfur, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and carbon have been found, all critical chemicals for life. And NASA says water that flowed billions of years ago was neutral, not acidic or too salty.
Probably if this water was around and you had been on the planet, you would have been able to drink it.
That's the front page headline to come out of what was otherwise a dense and technical news conference. Visitors to the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum here in Washington, D.C. are treated to the most up-to-date exhibits on what Curiosity's been getting up to because the museum is very closely aligned to the project. But you don't have to come here to find out what's going on because Curiosity has more than 1 million followers on Twitter. And so far this mission has tweeted almost 2,000 times. Curiosity's made its big discovery, a benign environment so supportive of life, just 7 months into its 23-month mission. Soon it'll be off on a journey across the red planet.
Gale Crater, which is the landing site for Curiosity, has a thick stack of layered sediments. And as they drive off to the south, they're going to climb up that Mount Sharp, that thick stack of layered sediments. And they'll be able to read the history of Mars like pages in a history book as they go up that mountain and look at each layer in sequence.
And after that, Curiosity is expected to go on for many months, if not years, sending Mars data back to Earth. John Terrett, Al Jazeera, Washington.